Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install FL Studio on a Windows PC or laptop for free. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type FL Studio Download and press Enter. From the search results, click the official FL Studio website. I'll also leave the direct download link in the video description to make things easier. Once you're on the download page, you should see the Windows version. Click on the Windows Download button. The download should start immediately. The installer file is quite large, so the download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file named FL Studio, _win64.exe. If Windows asks for permission to run the installer, click Yes. The FL Studio installer will now open. Click Next, read the license agreement, then click I agree, and click Next again. Choose Install for all users, then click Next. Make sure FL Studio plugins and ASIO drivers are checked. ASIO drivers are important for low latency audio, especially if you're making music or recording. Click Next, choose the default installation location, click Next a few more times and then click Install. When FL Studio finishes installing, you may be prompted to install ASIO 4 ALL. Click Next, accept the license, and click Install. Once everything is finished, click Finish to close the installer. Now, open the Start menu, type FL Studio, and press Enter. FL Studio will launch. If you already have a license, simply log in to unlock the full version. If not, you can use the free trial version, which lets you explore all features and start making music right away. And that's it. FL Studio is now installed on your Windows PC and ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech and music tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.